Okay, 2007 Kenworth T800 wide hood, 550 horsepower, ISX 15. It's been rebuilt. 14.6 front, RTLO 18.9, 18V transmission, 13.2 steerable drop, and then 46 rears with full lockers, headache rack, long wheelbase, sliding fifth wheel, about 476,000 miles on the truck itself. But again, engine's been rebuilt, redone by Peterbilt. Runs good. It's got the flashing lights on top. So in its former life, this was a winch truck. Took the bed off and turned it into a tractor for heavy haul.